welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing. And this is from Nail Reserve. I know it's been a while since I have featured them on my channel. They were so kind to reach out to me and offer to send me some more colors. You guys know I use them all the time still. And so they asked what colors I want to try, so I picked out some colors. They were previously Nail Addict and now they're Nail Reserve. So the bottles are still the same, but here is the old bottles and then the new bottles. So I think in the last couple videos I have used these ones, and I've always said, hey, you know, they've been renamed. So I have updated my coupon code and everything like that with the new one. Let's get to swatching. So this is Cashmere, a nice light gray. This one has a blue undertone, so it is a very clean look. Oh, might help if I was in frame. Here is Cashmere. Next up is Rose Petal, dusty purpley pink. Ooh, I like this color. It's a nice dusty purpley pink. It's definitely a pink, but it has that purple undertone. Really like that one. Here is the Rosy Posy. Okay, I was really close. Okay, let's see. Okay, Rosy Posy is a little bit more purple and a little bit darker. But I mean, that was pretty spot on. Here is Rose Petal. Next up is Delightful Red. You guys know I love these colors. It's like a syrupy red, but like when you do 2 coats of this, it is just like the perfect red. Look at that. Delightful Red. Next up is High Standards, and I'm so excited for this one. So I just got Black Magic from Light Elegance, and I'm really curious to see if this actually gets really close to that with like the sparkles in it. I did 2 coats of this one, and those sparkles are amazing. Here is the Black Magic I was talking about, but it's not even close. Not even close. Next up is Serendipity, the perfect holiday green if you want actually green on your nails, because it has that nice gold glitter to it. Yes. I also did 2 coats on this one. Last up, Forest Mural. I'm so looking forward to this one. Ooh, okay. Does this have matte glitter in it too? Ah. Did 2 coats of this bad boy. Super pretty. Also gonna be great for the holidays. I'm so glad to see their rebrand doing so well, because these are great polishes. Sometimes I feel like when companies rebrand, they change the quality, they change stuff about it that, you know, you originally liked, but these are still great, and I'm so relieved about that, because I still recommend them. And you know, when they rebranded, you know, you haven't tried the new rebranded product, but safe to say they're great. So I will link these down below along with that discount code. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.